The really cool thing in the new DesignerLogic is a revamped messaging system, which is, like it sounds, just a way to message back and forth about items and projects. And the cool thing about this is that it will keep those messages attached to the items and projects that it's about, so you can keep the conversation trackable with everything. And you can get to that by just clicking on message and write what it's about, and you select the project and maybe the item that it's about, say the chandelier, and then you can choose people to be on the message, so you can have a group chat, for example. And then click that, hit mark as urgent if you want a bell to go off, and then hit create thread. That will message all the people on that thread. They'll get a little notification up here that they have a message. You can also click the Ask Your Team button anywhere to get to that, and that will message your staff back and forth. And you can see all your messages in the message section here, and you can see that you can preserve all of the conversations you're having about different items and different projects, and it's very helpful. Instead of having to search through tons and tons of message records or an email chain, you can find all those conversations very quickly and easily using the message system.